Hey everybody, I wanted to provide an example of partitioning a line segment on the coordinate plane here. This is a question I directly took from the Alex review assignment. I just wanted to provide an example in case you wanted to see that as you're working through the review. I just noticed that some people were having a little bit of a harder time figuring these out, so I wanted to try to clear it up a little bit and make it a little bit easier for you so that it can be a successful endeavor for you on Tuesday when you take the quiz. Okay, so here's an example. We want to find point B such that AC to BC, AB to BC, is what that should say, excuse me, AB to BC is 4:3. So the first thing to notice here is that there are 7 parts here, 4:3. That means there's a total of 7 parts. You can think of this segment being divided into 7 parts, and I basically want to find the 4/7 point, right? 4:3. So I want to find the 4/7 point of this line segment. So I'm expecting it's somewhere, somewhere in this region, right? Somewhere kind of in the middle-ish, a little bit further than halfway, right? About 57 or 58% along the way of the segment. So the way we go about that is we look at the rise over run from A to C. So to find the change in Y, so I'm gonna write rise over run. So the Y's go from 17 to negative 11, okay? So that's a change of negative 28. And the X's go from negative 18 to positive 3. So that's an increase of 21. All right, so there's the first step. Now, let's find 4/7 of the rise and 4/7 of the run, because if I can find that, then I can use that new kind of reduced down slope, which will be an equivalent fraction. I can use that reduced down slope to go from A and figure out where point B is going to be. So if I take 4/7 of that and 4/7 of that, okay, so my new rise over run is going to be negative 16 and 12, right? Down 16 over 12. So that means I'm going to go over to my point right here, point A, and from there, I'm going to look at my original point. So A starts at negative 18, 17. And from there, I'm going to use this new slope. So the negative 16 portion right here, that's affecting the Y, right? So I'm going to take this Y, which is currently at 17, and I'll subtract 16 from it, right? And then I can take this X, which is currently negative 18. The run is 12, so I'm going to add 12 to that negative 18. So the result is what? Negative 17 minus 16. So then point B is going to be at 1, right? 17 minus 16, and then negative 18 plus 12 is negative 6. So point B will be at negative 6, comma 1. That would be the 4/7 point of the entire segment AC, or another way of saying it is it would divide AB to BC. That ratio would be 4:3.